The clue here is it does say with negatives, so be prepared for some negative answers. Our first question, 2 and 5 are not multiples of each other, but 6 is double 3. So we're going to double, as you can tell this is take 2. I made a mistake on the first one, the second equation. First equation remains unchanged, 5p plus 6q equals 34. Second equation we double, 4p plus 6q is 26. Makes more sense to go from 4 to 5 because that means I keep it positive, which gives me p equals, going upwards, 8. P is 8. That means that 5p is 40. So to get from 40 to 34, I have to take away 6. So 6q is minus 6, q is minus 1. As promised, we have a negative solution. Here, 11 and 3 are not multiples of each other, but 6 is a multiple of 2. So we're going to triple the bottom equation, giving us 11s plus 6t equals 9, and 9s plus 6t equals 15. I'm going to go down here just to remind you that you can do this with negatives. So to go from 11s to 9s, we are taking away 2s. And that's going to give me 6. If minus 2s is positive 6, I want normal 2s. What have I done? I've changed the sign. If I've changed the sign on the left, I must change the sign on the right. So 2s is negative 6. In that case, s will be negative 3. And substituting in, this would be at minus 33. How do I get from minus 33 to 9? I add 42. And that means that 6t is 42, 1t is 7. Here, I'm going to multiply the top equation by 5, giving me 15a plus 10b equals 40. I'm going to go up again this time, just so that I keep things positive. This is going to be 7b. From minus 30 to 40 is 70. Therefore, b is 10. If b is 10, then 2b is 20. What do I have to mix with 20 to get 8? Well, it's going to be minus 12 plus 20. So 3a is minus 12. A is negative 4. Final question. Double the top equation, giving us 12m plus 10m equals negative 80. 12m plus 4n is negative 68. Better to go from 4 to 10, which is 6n. I'm going upwards, I'm going from negative 68 to negative 80, which means I'm actually going down. I'm going minus 12. So if 6n is minus 12, 1n is negative 2. If n is negative 2, this is negative 10. What do I have to combine with negative 10 to make negative 40? I have to combine negative 30. So 6m is negative 30, m is minus 5. On the other side of this question, we know straight away the solutions to this can't be negative because this is pizzas. You can't have a negative costing pizza. Even on 2 for Tuesdays with Domino's. I am so glad I live in Saltash now because you can't get Domino's in lieu. So, 3 regular pizzas, that's 3R, and 2 small pizzas is £36. 9 regular pizzas and 8 small pizzas. 120. Now with this one it doesn't matter because 3 is a multiple of 9, around, 9 is a multiple of 3, and 8 is a multiple of 2. So you could either multiply by 3 to make the R numbers the same, or multiply by 4 to make the S numbers the same. I'm going to keep it as small as possible. I'm going to multiply by 3. That's going to give me 9R plus 6S equals 3 times 108. Okay. There's my equal pair. 6S to 8S is 2S. 108 to 120 is 12. 2S is 12. That means that the price of a small pizza is 6. So if a small pizza is 6, then 2 small pizzas is 12. 3 regular pizzas must therefore be 24, which means that 1 regular pizza is £8. A lot cheaper than Domino's, but still not negative.